Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Version School, morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 5. So my dear student, let us start our class. Today is our lesson number 38 of half yearly, and today's SW number will be 26. Dear student, in our class we shall solve exercise 7a. From exercise 7a we shall solve question number 15 and 16. What problem as your CW, and this CW also your SW. So my dear student, at first we read the question. I have already written this question on the board. So here 15 number question. Villagers want to equally divide 35.28 liters of oil by 9 families. How many liters of oil will each family receive? That means, dear student, 9 family will receive 35.28 liters milk. So one family receive how many liters oil? As 1 is less than 9, so we do division and we get the answer. So write 15 number. 9 families will receive 35.28 liters of oil. Okay, therefore one family will receive 35.28 divided by 9 liters of oil. Okay, now we do division. That means 9 divided by 35.28. Okay, in 35, 9 goes in 3 times. 3 9s are 27. Now we subtract 15 to 7, we get 8. Okay, carrying on, that one is added with this 2 with 3. 3 minus 3 will be 0. No need to write 0 before 8. So, and this 2 is placed here, but between this number there is point. For this reason I write here point. In 82, 9 goes in how many times? 9 goes in 9 times. 9 9s are 81. We subtract and we get 1. And this 8 is placed here. In 18, 9 goes in 2 times. That means 9 2s are 18, 0. So 3.92 liters of oil, and the answer is 3.92 liters of oil. Okay, my dear student, and our last question of this class. There are 12 cups of the same kind whose weight is 4.14 kilogram. That means the weight of 12 cups is 4.14 kilogram. How many kilogram does each cup weigh? That means we need to find out the weight of 1 cup. So it is so easy, just like this one. We write the weight of 12 cups is 4.14 kilogram. So the weight of 1 cup is what? 16 number question. The weight of 12 cups is 4.14 kilograms. Okay, therefore we write the weight of 1 cup is 4.14 divided by 12 kilogram. Okay, now we do division. 12 divided by 4.14. Okay, 4 in 4, 12 goes in 0 times. 0 12s are 0. Now we subtract, we get 4. And for this point, I write here point, and 1 is placed here. In 41, 12 goes in 3 times. That means 3 12s are 36. We subtract and we get 5. And that 1 is added with this 3, it will be 4. 4 minus 4, 0. No need to write 0. This 4 is written here. In 54, 12 goes in 4 times. 3 4 jar, 12 4 jar 48. Subtract and we get 6. In 60, 12 goes in 5 times. 5 12 jar 60. So the answer of this question is 0.345. 0.345 kilograms. Answer. Dear student, you must write answer after solving your problem. My dear student, this is our today's lecture, and this CW will be your SW. That means question number 15 and 16 will be your SW also. You must do your essay in SW and submit it regularly in our school campus in every Saturday within 9 am to 3 pm. So my dear student, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, assalamu alaikum.